We are going to discuss about a new topic, that is the agile model. We have studied the traditional models such as waterfall and the prototype and the iterative enhancement model, but the agile model is the non-traditional form of building a software. So it is also best model for today's software development because it is based on customer satisfaction. In fact, it is a combination of both iterative enhancement and the incremental model. We have discussed about iterative enhancement and evolutionary development model in the previous slide. So in the iterative enhancement model, we build the software in different iterations, in which we build a basic model and give it to the user in first iteration, and then it continues. Whereas in the incremental model, the whole software is divided into the various modules, and all modules are created separately and integrated. In the iterative enhancement model, the primary requirements were fulfilled first. So the agile model is a combination of both iterative enhancement and the evolutionary model. It combines the features of both iterative and evolutionary development. In the iterative, we create the whole software in one iteration. Although it is not the whole software, it is not fulfilling the requirements of all the customers, but it fulfills requirements of few customers in the first version, and then the software is evolved. Whereas in evolutionary development model, the software is built in modules, and in every iteration one module is developed. So in the agile model, we basically focus on the customer satisfaction. So it is best suited model in the software industry nowadays. In case the software is very big, then all the major modules can be carried out and prepare a working module of the software and hand it to the user. In the next iteration, remaining functionality and modules can be developed, and new version of the software is developed. So you can see in this is the first iteration, this is second iteration. In the first iteration, there are 5 phases, that is planning, then designing, then building, then testing, then deployment, and then again planning. So it has 5 different phases. These 5 phases will continue, and a software is created with few modules. It will not consist of all the modules. Then again the planning, designing, building, testing, deployment, and again planning. This is the next iteration. So the main advantage of the agile model is, we can say that the main feature of the agile model is involvement of customer in every step. The customers are involved in every step in every phase of the agile model. If the customer wants a working model of the software in the shorter span of time, then this agile method is most suitable, because it focus only on the customer satisfaction. It does not focus on the documentation part. It emphasizes collaboration of customer and developer work throughout the project. The customer is a part of the development process in the agile model. It focuses on preparing a finished project as early as possible rather than documenting the software. It is actually a very realistic approach to the software development because it focuses on the early development delivery of the working software, and it also promotes team programming. But the agile model is not suited for complex software where it is difficult to divide the software in multiple parts. So dividing the software in multiple parts is a difficult part in the agile model because it requires a lot of customer involvement, and we know that the customer may not have time. It is not possible for the customer to be with them, with the development team all the time, and the customer may not be clear about their requirements. It does not focus on documentation. So these are the weak points of agile model, but the main strength of the agile model is the customer satisfaction. So this is all about agile model. In the next video we will discuss about later non-traditional models. Till then, goodbye.